We stand at a crossroads. Artificial intelligence, born of silicon and code, is poised to reshape our world. The question is urgent. Is AI our savior or our nemesis? This is no longer science fiction. It's our reality right now. Some see a golden age ahead, disease eradicated, climate change halted, human potential unlocked. They believe AI will be our partner, solving problems that have plagued us for centuries. But others warn of catastrophe, mass unemployment, amplified biases, and the ultimate fear, losing control over something more intelligent than ourselves. The truth isn't simple. AI is a tool, reflecting the intentions of its creators. It holds the potential for both immense benefit and catastrophic harm. The path AI takes will be shaped by our choices, our wisdom, and our ability to work together. The stakes are high. Our collective future hangs in the balance. Will AI be our hero or our nemesis? The answer depends on us. AI is already here, quietly woven into our daily lives. It's the algorithm recommending your next film, the software filtering your emails, the app guiding your commute. This silent revolution has happened fast. What was once futuristic is now routine, powering businesses, banks, and industries everywhere. AI makes life more convenient and efficient, automating mundane tasks and breaking down language barriers. But as we rely more on these systems, questions arise. Who controls them? What data do they collect? How is it used? The convenience comes at a cost, our personal information. When things go wrong, who is accountable? The invisible power of AI demands our vigilance. We must understand the trade-offs as we welcome this technology deeper into our lives. The revolution is quiet, but its impact is profound. AI's promise shines brightest in healthcare and the fight against climate change. In medicine, AI scans thousands of images, spotting early signs of disease with remarkable accuracy, sometimes better than human doctors. It empowers, not replaces, medical professionals, freeing them to focus on care. AI accelerates drug discovery, offering hope for previously incurable conditions. In climate science, AI processes vast data to predict weather and natural disasters, helping us prepare and save lives. It optimizes energy grids, integrates renewables, and makes agriculture more sustainable. AI tracks endangered species and combats illegal poaching. These aren't future dreams. They're happening now. AI is a tangible tool, building a more sustainable and resilient world. Its potential for good is real and growing, but its benefits depend on how we choose to use it. The future is in our hands. With AI's promise comes real concern, especially about jobs and fairness. AI now performs tasks once reserved for humans, writing, coding, even legal analysis. Millions of jobs could be disrupted, and not everyone will adapt easily. The transition may be painful, deepening inequality. Beyond jobs, there's the problem of algorithmic bias. AI learns from data, and if that data is biased, so is the AI. We've seen hiring tools discriminate, and facial recognition systems misidentify people of color. When algorithms make decisions about loans, jobs, or justice, hidden biases can reinforce discrimination. The black box nature of AI makes it hard to challenge unfair outcomes. Without transparency and accountability, algorithmic bias threatens fairness in society. These issues demand urgent attention. We must confront them head-on. As AI grows more autonomous, we face the question of control. Self-driving cars, automated trading, machines are making decisions faster than we can. What happens if AI surpasses human intelligence? The risk isn't evil robots, but powerful systems pursuing goals misaligned with ours. A superintelligent AI, given a poorly defined task, could cause harm through sheer competence. The challenge: how do we ensure advanced AI remains safe and aligned with human values? Research into AI safety lags behind rapid technological progress. Maintaining meaningful human control is critical. The stakes are existential. We must act before it's too late. We're at a pivotal moment. AI's future isn't set. It's shaped by our choices. We can build a future where AI serves humanity, but it requires conscious effort and collective action. Innovation in medicine and climate science must continue, but with caution. Strong regulations are needed for transparency, accountability, and fairness. Governments, corporations, and researchers must set global standards for AI safety. This isn't just for experts. Everyone has a stake. We must become AI literate, ask tough questions, and demand accountability. Advocate for policies that protect workers, reduce bias, and share AI's benefits widely. Our participation is essential. The story of AI will reflect our values and choices. It can connect or divide, empower or marginalize. The opportunity is ours to steer AI toward a more equitable, humane future. How will you help shape our shared future with AI?